Is your Ninja Speedi overheating during use? Let's troubleshoot the issue step by step. No tools required. We'll start with the simplest fixes and move to more involved solutions if needed. By the end of this video, your appliance will cook safely and efficiently. Begin by checking the placement. Ensure the Speedi is on a flat, heat-resistant surface and at least 6 inches away from walls or cabinets. Poor airflow around the unit can trap heat, causing overheating. If the fan is loud or the unit feels excessively hot, clean the vents. Use a soft brush or compressed air to remove debris from the fan and exhaust ports. Blocked vents are a common cause of overheating. Avoid overloading the pot. Overfilling with food or liquid traps steam and heat, raising internal temperatures. For slow cooking or pressure functions, fill the pot no more than 2/3 full. Reset the appliance if overheating persists. Unplug it for 10 minutes to clear temporary errors. This also allows internal components to cool, similar to how gaming consoles require breaks to prevent overheating. For high heat functions like air fry or roast, reduce the temperature by 25 degrees Fahrenheit, 15 degrees Celsius. This minimizes strain on the heating element while still delivering crisp results. Check for firmware updates via the Ninja app. Outdated software can cause overheating errors, and updates often include performance improvements. Still stuck? Use the link in the video description to access Ninja's troubleshooting guide. If this video helped, subscribe for more quick fixes. Have another issue? Let us know in the comments. We may feature it in a future video. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking!